Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to continue working on part 17 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to create the gate. Now we're going to continue working on this. What I want to do is go to our ground floor, and I want to actually change a little bit of this, because I want to have some side right here. So instead of this one being connected to this wall, I want to extend this and to have something like this right here. So just a side walkway. So something like this. And then we just need to align it afterwards. So what I'm gonna do now is to check the spacing right here, and you want to have at least 1,000, so that's good enough, and type in TR. We could align this or just delete this wall right here, and then TR, trim and extend, and then we just need to extend this one right here. So edit boundary, and then we just need to add and then trim this part, and then delete this, and then click finish. So now what will happen is we have a walkway, grass walkway around our building or our house. And we're gonna start creating some of here. Also, we're going to try and add in the stairs right here, and a stair as well right here, but we're just gonna use something different there. Also, I want to go right here to our second floor, and I just want to delete this part right there, and I just want to extend this one all the way right here. So just a big one is good enough for me. I just want a big window like so. I'll probably going to delete this part. It's because I want to have an extension here on this side. So here I'm going to extend this like that, and also here on the first floor I just want to trim this out. So TR, trim and extend, and then now we'll be able to just add, and so we can go to our second floor, extend this part right here, because I think around here on this side. And then we're going to add our design right here. So let's go and go back to level 2. Move this one right here around this side, and then we're going to add in some extrusions, model in place. Go back to our 3D to see how it looks, and then we could go to our south elevation, and then we could build our design. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on model in place, generic model, and then select a plane. So pick a plane. I'm gonna select here, extrusion right here, and I'm going to add our model right here. Around 200 is good, and then 200 right there as well, and then TR, trim and extend, and then just delete those small ones right there, and then click on finish and go to 3D, because we're going to extrude it like that. And of course we need to move this one back like that. What I'm gonna do next is we're going to select this one and then change the material. I'm gonna change the material right here. So let's set maybe a wood material, or actually let's just put paint, and then let's choose this one. Apply, OK, and then select finish. So wall texture or orange peel, and then click finish. And then we're going to change some of this part right here. Also, I'm gonna go to wall, and then we're going to add a reveal and a vertical reveal on this part right here. There we go. Add that one there, and then another one at the bottom part. There we go. And then we could align this part right there. AL, align to this and align to that. And then let's look at it at level 3 and see how it looks. I just want to align everything properly, so it looks like it's aligned already. And I just want those separation right there in order for us to add the same materials on all of this. So, and then I'm gonna create some design right here. I just want this one to be the whole thing. So I'm going to delete this this one right here, and then it's much better to extend this part right there, and then to extend this part as well. And then if we see it, it will look like that. And then we could extend this part as well. So we just want it. So let's go to south elevation. It's easier to see it like that. So now we can manipulate this part. And then we could go back to south, and then we could actually increase this part right there. So if we want to, we could extend this. We can make it 300. So I'm gonna edit extrusion. Let's make it 400 to make it thick enough. Then 400 here. Click finish, and then finish. And then here we could just pull it down a little bit like that. So everything still is looking good. And then here we just need to move it like that right there. I think that's good enough. Good enough size. The only thing is we need to make this one as well. So if we put $300 there, or 400, let's make 400 as well here, so that everything is same. So I'm just assessing how this one is. I think that's good enough. And then we need to set the same material on that. I did say that this should be an orange peel. So I'm gonna set this to orange peel. but the one right here, the one at the top, should be different. So we need to set this one as a paint, and I'm going to just put this one as the first gypsum wallboard so that it's still white. But now, once we're right here, we need this one to be orange peel as well, so that everything is same. Or like I said, we want this one to have this a different one. I can actually it's kind of hard to do it with this part when we're doing paint. So orange peel, because as you can see, it covers everything else. So that's why it's kind of hard to do that. I'm just going to put this one on the side a little bit. So I'm just selecting orange peel onto those parts. Want to make sure every nook is selected to be sure that everything is good. And then what I'm gonna do next, so click it done, I'm just going to create another extrusion generic model, and then here we need to create an extrusion set. I'm going to pick a plane right here and add this one. It's the easiest way to deal with this. We don't need to slice it. And then here we could just put orange peel. And then here the extrusion 5 or 10 depending on what you want, but maybe 5 is good enough so that we don't need to deal with different split face, because that one is kind of confusing once you have a reveal in the wall. So might as well just make your life easy and just do that. And then here, this part is a different material, so I'm gonna put in a paint, and then let's select something that we haven't used yet, maybe plywood, this one, because I want this one to be different. There we go. So I'm happy with that. So that's good. And then I want some design here. So I'm gonna create an extrusion again, a model in place, generic model. And I'm gonna create an extrusion. This would be a different wood material. Maybe wood plank I haven't used, so that's good. And then here I'm just going to make this one right there, and then I'm going to have something like this, and then copy that CEO and then grab it from those corners. So copy it again, make sure multiple is checked so that we could add multiple ones, and then once you're comfortable we could copy all of them, CEO, and then grab it from the corner right there. And then after that, SL, so split element, just put it in one spot so that we could just trim and extend later on. And then TR, trim and extend. You can basically create this one as a array, but I like this one because I want the back to be the same wood materials, so that's why I created that one. And then here I just need to put it in the middle. Click finish, go to 3D, and to extrude it bit more, and then you can use AL to align it at the top there. AL, grab the face there, click your tab in order to select, and then select it. Click finish, and just as simple like that makes a big difference in your design. Also, I want to change this front right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to ground. I'm going to edit this one. I want to have a bigger, so around, let's figure this out. This will be around 3000. The reason for that is I want to change this design right here in the front, and then here I just want to maximize the spacing right there, knowing that we have a bigger room, or much a better area right here. I want to change this front so that it's still looking nice. I want to add in a plant box. So here I want to know what material we use here. I believe is one of the gypsum wallboard. So I'm gonna copy, so the number 2 right there. The reason that I want to know, so that once we assign a material, it will change on all materials right here. So let's go to ground again, and then we're going to put in a plant box. So generic model again, press OK, and then extrusion, this one, apply that one, make it a little bit more so that we could just extrude it, and then here we will have our plant box. We can maybe grab at least 900, so we have enough space to work on. Offset this to maybe 50. And grab this, copy it on the other side, and then grab it up to here. There we go. And then click on finish, go to 3D, and then grab it to go up. There we go. Pull it up a little. Maybe I'll put this one right here, just a little bit down, because I just want to add in like a bushes there, and then go back right here, add one more, create an extrusion. This will be earth or grass, Go to 3D again to extrude it. I think that's good enough. Click finish, and we have our plant box in front. Let's go to our south elevation, and we're going to edit the wall opening. There we go. So once we have that, I want to have an opening right here, SL, and then select those one right here, and then click on finish, and then we need to do it on this side as well. SL, and then TR. Go to south elevation, AL, so that everything is same. And then there we go. Click on finish. And as you can see, that is looking good. We could look at this more later on. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue in the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.